Dear students, now we will see the poem Life for you prescribed as the first unit portion. Life, in the sense, we know the meaning. You are being a developed student, you can easily judge what is life. At present juncture, we are in very confused state, and how to manage our things generally. Let us see this poem. It is giving a good message not only for the students but also general readers of the poem or lovers of the poem. They may also understand the instability of life. Life, it is written by Henry van Dyke. This poem is in the form of a sonnet. You know, sonnet is the type of poem which contains 14 lines. It is written in iambic pentameter, and generally it gives a short message or short story. This should be sung with the help of a lyre. L-Y-R-E, lyre means actually it is a musical one. Now let us see the content of the poem, and I'll bring out the messages from it. Let me but live my life from year to year, with forward face and unreluctant soul, nor hurrying to, nor turning from the goal, not mourning for the things that disappear in the dim past, nor holding back in fear from what the future wields, but with a whole and happy heart that pays its toll to youth and age, and travels on with cheer. So let the way wind up the hill or down, over rough or smooth, the journey will be joy. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy, new friendship with high adventure and a crown, my heart will keep the courage of the quest, and hope the road's last turn will be the best. Now let us see line by line. Let me but live my life from year to year. The poet wants everyone to live every time with some changes. 1 year means actually it is a finished one. Next year when it comes, you have to keep yourself very fresh and look forward for the things what it is going to happen. With a forward face and unreluctant soul. Forward face. That means you should expect certain things that should come, whether it is positive or negative, as we are in this virus stage. Right, unreluctant soul. The soul that should be ready to face anything. Not hurrying to, but you should not go fast. Not turning from the goal. Your goal should be in the mind. With patience, you have to travel on your way towards your goal. Not mourning for the things that disappear. This line shows not mourning. Actually, we should not grumble. We should not feel sad. We should not feel sorrow for the things what happened in the recent past. And that one will not give you any good result. In the dim past, not holding back in fear. Even the past also, if it is not good, if you think, if you have some fear, that should be eradicated, that should be removed, and you should not fear. From the future veils, in future, some blockades will be there. Some curtains, wheels means curtains, here, blockade, we can take it. But with a whole and a happy heart, with a whole and a happy heart, in the sense, you should come forward with smiling face, happy heart that should feel always happiness, that pays its toll, that will give its remuneration, that will give its success to youth and age, and travels on with cheer. And to youth and age, and travels on with cheer. Whatever it may be the circumstances, the destination is, and your final success, that is always fresh like youth, and you have to go with a cheerful face. So let the way wind up the hill, wind up the hill or down. Way wind up and goes, meandering. Ways are meandering sometimes, and a lot of turnings will be there, hairpin bends like that. Over rough or smooth journey will be joy. Rough or smooth the ways, and the journey you have to feel it as a joyful one only. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy. And new friendship, high adventure and a crown. Actually, we need to seek in the sense, search, new friendship, high adventure and a crown. Your friendship, your associates, adventure, part success, and a crown. With getting, after getting remarkable success, you will get crown. That means your fame, we can say, or final achievement. My heart will keep the courage of the quest. Heart always it will have the courage to meet out the quest with strong passion, with a lot of interest, curiosity, like that. Quest means we can say like that. And hope the road's last turn will be the best. And hope the road's last turn. After that, no turning point, Here, the best thing will come after the last turning. So, like that, our life also, we should have positive role to play in our life. Thank you.